Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying one key thing. Your phone and SIM support Globe 5G. Once done, update your phone OS and insert the Globe SIM. Make sure you have load or an active data plan that permits mobile data. No data, no 5G. Then open settings and enable mobile data so the phone can register on Globe's network. This is the minimal, practical setup to begin connecting. Do these now so the network can provision your device. Next, configure your network. You should switch network mode to 5G or 5G/4G/3G, automatic, so the phone can negotiate the fastest available band. Once that's done, reset the APN to default in access point names so the carrier settings apply automatically. This avoids typos. If the phone doesn't get the right profile, use the Globe SIM toolkit or Globe app to push configuration settings. Finally, verify connectivity. You should see a 5G icon and noticeably faster pages or a speed test result. If you don't, restart the phone and toggle airplane mode to force re-registration. Sometimes reinserting the SIM solves provisioning delays. If that still fails, gather your phone's IMEI and SIM number and contact Globe support so they can provision 5G on their side. One quick troubleshooting tip: always reset APN to default before manual changes. Incorrect APN is the most common cause of failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.